Sure hope you're having a great Saturday. We've seen some scattered light rain showers, mostly cloudy skies. That's the general rule of thumb. As high pressure breaks down, these disturbances swing on through. So we've got one disturbance today, another one tomorrow, and then we'll get more disturbances to head our way as we get into the middle and latter part of next week, as this energy just kind of rides through the atmosphere. Little waves in the atmosphere, if you will. The amount of moisture is going to start to increase. That means dew points climb. That means humidity climbs. And that's going to make for a little bit more of an uncomfortable, or rather summertime feel to the air. As dew points climb and temperatures climb next week, it is definitely going to be a feel on the toastier side. So for the rest of the day today, scattered light rain showers, mainly west of Interstate 75, but can't rule it out east of 75 as well. Mild night ahead of us tonight, another wave tomorrow, and then more active weather with a cold front by next, say, Thursday, Friday time frame. That will drop our humidity as we get into into next weekend. So as we continue our forecast for the day today, we're going to continue to see those scattered light rain showers from now through the early afternoon hours. Again, not a ton of rain is expected, but don't be fooled that you may get out or get wet at some point of the day throughout the day today. It's not going to add up to a whole lot. Less than a tenth of an inch for some, up to a quarter of an inch for others, mainly along the western parts of the Cumberland Plateau. That should be about the extent of it for the day today. So forecast high temperatures will be in the 70s and 80s. Will be a little bit cooler along the plateau thanks to the cloud coverage and a little bit more rainfall there. Other than that, upper East Tennessee, less rain and therefore warmer temperatures. And that's going to make for a nice evening tonight. Fire pit Saturday fire pit night. If you didn't get a chance to do it on Friday night, by 8 o'clock we'll be down to 67. Again, the air is relatively drier, so this is the time to enjoy it rather than when the humidity starts to pick up next week. So 7 o'clock here tonight, overnight into our Sunday morning. There goes that wave. It moves its way on out. So we may see a couple of scattered light showers overnight tonight and maybe some wet roads as we get started on Sunday morning. And I think that's going to be about the extent of it. Morning lows, because we'll have the clouds in place, will be in the low to mid 60s, so a nice mild start to the day. Sunday, we're warming back into the upper 70s, so a little bit cooler. Clouds and the threat for some scattered rain showers. You can see on our Futurecast model, Sunday morning through noon, we'll have a little bit of light rain. As we get into the afternoon, maybe a couple rumbles of thunder, but no severe weather threat by any stretch of the imagination. So when you add up today and tomorrow to the rainfall forecast, we'll likely pick up anywhere from about a tenth of an inch to maybe over half an inch in some locations. And so some will get a little bit more, others not quite so much. About a quarter of an inch possibly down in Chattanooga, and same for the Knoxville area. 3-day forecast, we're going to see those temperatures stay in the upper 70s. Notice Monday, we're going to warm into the mid 80s. Humidity starts to increase, and that's going to lead to that warmer feel. Plus, it's going to lead to elevated rain chances. And so we do have those elevated rain chances as we head into next week. It's all these disturbances, little waves in the atmosphere that will continue to swing on through. There's one. Here comes our Sunday one. It's going to just kind of fizzle out, but it will provide a little extra lift in the atmosphere, which is what leads to clouds, showers, and thunderstorms. So not a ton of rain all the way through Monday. We'll add up a little bit more Tuesday, Wednesday, and then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we'll get a little bit more. So I think by the end of the week, we'll likely pick up about an inch of rain. So it's not a huge rainmaker week ahead of us, but it will be a warmer week, and temperatures will climb into the mid to upper 80s through the middle and latter part of the week. Higher dew points, that gives us heat index values pushing the upper 80s to maybe some low 90s, depending on the sunshine. And low temperatures will stay elevated until this cold front comes through. Cold front will drop our humidity, and that's going to give us some more comfortable morning lows as we get into the upcoming weekend. And so track the rain with us with the interactive radar. It's 100% free. You can go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and search East TN Weather, all one word. That interactive radar gives you current, past, and future radar. It's a great tool, especially if you're out and about and on the weekends, plus through the summer. And don't forget that it does travel wherever you go. So if you have travel plans on vacation, it will go with you as well and give you any inclement weather alerts, no matter the location across the continental U.S. Have a great rest of your day.